Hey y'all, today I'm going to show y'all a dish I like to call Boojee chicken and dumplings. Hope y'all enjoy it. Alright, we got some ghee butter in our pot and it's hot and ready to go. We're going to add in a diced up Vidalia onion, some diced up celery and some cut up carrots in there. And we're going to stir it around and saute them for just a minute. When our vegetables have been sauteing for a minute or two, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. I'm also going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. Now when our onions are starting to cook clear, that's when I'm going to add a spoonful of garlic. The reason I add the garlic late is I don't want to risk burning that garlic. Plus, to me, the fresher it is, the more flavor you get out of it. Alright, the vegetables are cooked good, onions are cooked clear. We're going to add in a 48-ounce container of chicken broth. And along with the chicken broth, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Now as our water's coming up to temp, I'm going to add some of this Ann's old-fashioned chicken base in there. Just a spoonful of it will do. And make sure whenever you add that spoonful that you struggle like I did, or it ain't worth it. Alright, our water's up to a boil and we're going to put in some rotisserie chicken that we tore apart and pulled. Throw some of that skin in there too while you're at it. And make sure you get your rotisserie chicken from the Food Line. They got the best ones. Alright, our pot's coming up to a boil. And we're going to season it with some Dano's original seasoning. This will add a great flavor and it's good for you too. It's low in sodium. Now I know you're already asking where the dumplings are. Well, we're going to take some canned biscuits and cut them up. And that's going to be our dumplings. You cut them up as big or small as you want to cut them up. But we're going to cut up all 8 of these biscuits. Now I know you're saying, my Lord have mercy, Brody, that sure is a lot of dumplings. Well listen, you cut your heat down to a low to medium heat. Let these things simmer with the lid on for about 15 minutes. Just stir them every now and then to keep them from sticking. They'll sink to the bottom and they won't be near as puffy as they are right now. And here we are with the finished product. Some Boojee chicken and dumplings over a bed of white rice. Man, it don't get no better than this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Use this recipe. Adjust anything you want to adjust to your liking. Hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to making some more for you.